Hello investors, hopefully you are having a wonderful time. In today's video, I will not do any stock valuation, but instead I will cover in the last 6 months which of the portfolio managers basically sell those stocks, which are the stocks which heavily sold by the portfolio manager. So I have come up with this 10 stock list. And it's very important to know which stocks not only they're buying, but also which stocks they are think is shredding from their portfolio. But this doesn't mean that if they are selling, these are not a value, these are not worth it. But it's still keep an eye, because somebody's trash is somebody's gold, right? So without further delay, let's get started. My name is Pramod Kumar. I'm a CFA charter holder and FRM certified. So let's see this. So the very first on the list is the Google, the Alphabet stocks, and this is sold by 14 super investors, right? So that's quite surprisingly. And if I see on the number 3 on the list is again the Alphabet stock, Google tickers, and that there is no much difference between these two stock, except one has voting rights and other doesn't have voting rights. So pretty much if I see combine these two together, so this means the Google is the one which is selling by those super investors. Another tech company which makes a list is the Microsoft, and Microsoft is sold by the 12 super investors, right? So the UNH we can see on the list, United Health Group. So this Alphabet and the Microsoft and the Google, I also perform the stock valuation in my videos where I use the models and come up with a fair value. So if you like, feel free to check it out. This is quite surprising to me. That's none other than the Warren Buffett's company, Berkshire Hathaway, the ticker symbol .B. It also has, this is trading at the low price. The Berkshire Hathaway has another ticker symbol which is trading in the market is Berkshire CL.A. That is very, very high in terms of the price. That's also been sold, but that's not in this major count list. That is a little bit lower, but still it seems like it's quite amazing, shocking actually, not amazing, to see that why this ticker is make in this list as well. Facebook, which has a tremendous, very good return, but it's also been selling. So it seems like these FANG companies, the technology company, is being shredded by the portfolio manager, and maybe they are going more towards the value stocks, right? The non-tech stocks. There are some other name, Oracle Corporations, JP Morgan, this is the investment bank. You can see here is sold by 9. And another one, Amazon. Amazon is sold by the 8 investors, but also if you might see in the news, as I told you, that even if some portfolio manager is shredding it, but these are the high volumes in the from shredding from the portfolio. Amazon is recently bought huge by their internal director, which is the previous Indra Nurani, I think, if I spell her name correctly. So she bought the quite a lot in this week or last week. That made the news as well. Stock is, of course, is trading all time, is trading very high, but it's been sold. The last but not the least is CarMax, KMX Incorporated. This is another 8 super investors sold these stocks. So this is a little bit different kind of video I have performed. I usually does the stock valuation or the portfolio review of, for example, I did in my channel like Warren Buffett or Bill Gates and some others. I also did that. I also cover the IPOs as well. So let me know what you think about these, whether you think these are overvalues, or do you think it's good time to buy for these stock as well. Feel free to put in the comments, and if you're new, please do subscribe, and feel free to check it out, some other stock valuation. I'll put the playlist at the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.